Hey, how you doing? This is Side and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today we're going to talk about an affiliate marketing term. It's actually a marketing term, but it's also in affiliate marketing that you may come across it. It's called CPM. So CPM is an advertising pricing model and refers to as cost per mile. It's typically a term that you'll see on various advertising networks. Okay, so CPM means the cost of per thousand impressions on your ad banner. Okay, so when you advertise banner ads on advertising networks, you'll see a pricing model called CPM. Okay, so you see cost per click, CPM, and CPM is another one. So basically, with CPM, it means that you will pay a certain amount per thousand impressions on your ad. Okay, so your ad on the web page, and for every thousand impressions, every thousand times it's displayed your ad on the page, you will pay a certain fixed amount for that. Okay, so that's CPM. So you may be thinking that why is it not called CPI or something like that? Okay, well, or it's somewhere that it's using a Roman numeral, sorry, for 1000, which is M. Hence why it's called CPM. Okay, so for example, if you're paying a CPM cost of $5 per CPM, then that's 5,000 impressions you receive on your ad for $5. Okay, so be advised that also 1,000 impressions may sound like you're getting a lot for for your dollars. Okay, so you might be thinking I'm only paying this much for 1,000 people who will see my ad, and it's going to seem like you're getting great value, but in reality you learn that these impressions are defined as your ad just being displayed on the page, not necessarily the visitor seeing your ad on the page, saying your ad on the page with their eyes. For example, when you're browsing a blog or whatever, you don't necessarily always see the ads on the side, right? You just continue with the content that you read and scroll down. So, but if you do obviously see the ad, you'll click on it if you like it. But that's, as I said, the impression is basically just your ad being displayed on the web page. Okay, that doesn't necessarily mean that someone is going to see the ad with their eyes. Okay, so that's one thing to bear in mind. So don't be surprised when you only get a few clicks for 1,000 impressions. Okay, so here's some quick tips to improve your CPM advertising if you do wish to advertise using CPM. So make sure your ads are relevant to the topic that is displayed on the page or website. For example, on a weight loss tips forum, it would probably make more sense to advertise a weight loss product rather than a how to build a six-pack product course or whatever. Yes, so it's just common sense sometimes, but it always works. Okay, common sense works. If possible, make sure your ad is placed on the top part of the web page, which is also known as above the fold. Okay, so top part of the web page. So when every visitor will arrive on a web page, they'll first arrive on the top part of the page, right? And then they'll like to scroll down later on, as they read along the content. Okay, so top part is the most premium part of a website. Okay, so try and get your ad at the top part. So it may cost you a bit more, but remember that your ad will also like to be clicked more. Okay, so placing the next one is placing your ad on a high quality content and traffic sites. Okay, so this is an obvious one again. The more high quality and more traffic the site on which your ad banner is on, the more chance of an increased click-through rate on your ad, because the visitor would like to be more interested in the content on the page and thus may see your ad and like to click on it. Okay, so the next one is targeting the correct audience. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're targeting the right demographics that are visiting your website when you're considering to advertise your ad using CPM. So for example, if you're advertising a product that's only available shipping in the US, you wouldn't want to advertise it on a website that is, for example, a non-US site, like India or Bangladesh or whatever, because obviously that product can't be shipped to those countries. So it's common sense, targeting the correct audience, correct demographics. Okay, so that was another example I just written down. So if it would probably not make sense to advertise on a high ticket investment opportunity on a website that talks about how to make money completing surveys. Okay, like make money with surveys or whatever, because that type of audience visiting these sites are likely to be looking to make money, okay, rather than invest money. So you've got to think, will they have money to invest when they're looking for ways to make money? Okay, So that's about it really. That's CPM for you. And yeah, so that's it really. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like some resources to build and grow your affiliate marketing business, I have some for you. If you visit affiliateship.com/free, I'll also put the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.